Hi, I'm PNC Joe, and I only talk about commercial insurance. Commercial property insurance is a critical consideration for small business owners, as it safeguards the tangible assets that drive their daily operations. Despite its importance, understanding the nuances of coverage can be challenging, with varying policies dictating different protected aspects. This complexity can leave many business owners feeling vulnerable and unsure about how best to shield their premises and equipment from unexpected events. Keep watching, because in this video, we will discuss these important topics. What is commercial property insurance? What does building coverage mean? What is business personal property coverage? What is business interruption insurance? What is equipment breakdown coverage? What is inland marine insurance? What is a co-insurance clause? What is the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value? And a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Commercial property insurance is a type of insurance that helps protect the buildings and things that businesses own. Imagine you own a toy store. If something bad happens, like a fire or a storm, this insurance may help you pay to fix your store or replace the toys that were damaged, subject to the terms, conditions, and exclusions of your policy. Building coverage is a part of commercial property insurance that protects the physical structure of your business. For instance, if you own a bakery, your building coverage may help pay for repairs if the roof gets damaged in a storm, depending on your policy terms and conditions. Business personal property coverage protects the things inside your business that are not part of the building. If you own a bookstore, this coverage may help pay to replace your books, shelves, and furniture if they get stolen or damaged, subject to policy terms and conditions. Business interruption insurance helps cover the money you lose if your business has to close temporarily because of a problem like a fire or flood. For example, if your restaurant has to close for a month to fix water damage, this insurance may help you pay your bills and your employees during that time, subject to the policy's terms, conditions, and limits. Equipment breakdown coverage helps pay for repairs or replacements if your business machines stop working. For example, if you own a printing shop and your printer breaks down, this coverage may help pay to fix or replace it so you can keep working, depending on your policy terms and conditions. Inland marine insurance is a special type of coverage for items that are often moved from place to place. If you run a catering business and transport your cooking equipment to events, this insurance helps protect those items while they are being moved, subject to policy terms and conditions. A co-insurance clause is a part of your policy that requires you to insure your property for a certain percentage of its value. If you don't, you might not get the full amount when you make a claim. For example, if your property is worth $100,000 and the clause requires 80% insurance, you need to insure it for at least $80,000. Replacement cost is the amount it would cost to replace your damaged property with a new one, while actual cash value considers depreciation, which means it takes into account how old the item is. So if your 5-year-old computer is damaged, replacement cost would pay for a new computer, but actual cash value would pay what your old computer is worth now. Most standard commercial property insurance policies do not cover natural disasters like floods and earthquakes. You might need to buy separate policies or endorsements to get protection from these kinds of events. For example, if your business is in an area prone to earthquakes, you would need an earthquake policy to be covered for earthquake damage. If you don't meet the co-insurance requirement, your insurance company might not pay the full amount of your claim. For example, if you have a property worth $100,000 but only insure it for $70,000 when the co-insurance clause requires 80%, you might only get a portion of your claim paid, even if the damage costs $10,000. I hope this video has helped demystify the various aspects of commercial property insurance, allowing you to confidently safeguard your business's assets against unforeseen events. Remember, understanding your coverage options empowers you to make informed decisions that ensure the continuity and success of your business. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.